Drowning in marketing tags and lost on how to track your shiny, brand new website. Today, we're throwing you a lifeline and showing you exactly how to connect your new website to Google Tag Manager in under 90 seconds. First, head over to tagmanager.google.com and log into your Google account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Account button. Give your account a descriptive name, typically your company or organization name. Select your country, scroll down and click the checkbox to agree to the data sharing settings, and then click Continue. Now it's time to create a container for your website. This container will hold all of your tags, triggers, and variables for this specific site. Enter your website's domain name in the container name field under Choose Target Platform. Select Web since we're working with a website, then click Create. A pop-up will appear with the Google Tag Manager Terms of Service Agreement. Read through it, and if you agree, click the checkbox in the upper right-hand corner, and then click I accept to continue. Congratulations! You have successfully created a Google Tag Manager container for your website. You'll now see two code snippets. The first snippet should be placed in the head section of your website's code, and the second snippet should be placed immediately after the opening body tag. It's crucial to place these code snippets correctly. Ask your web developer to help, or if you're comfortable editing code yourself, carefully copy and paste each snippet into the appropriate location on every page of your website. Once you've implemented the code snippets, go back to Google Tag Manager and click OK. You can now start adding tags, triggers, and variables to track user behavior on your website. Remember to use the preview mode to test your tags before publishing them live. And that's it. You've successfully connected your new website to Google Tag Manager. Now you can start tracking and optimizing your marketing efforts like a pro.